Hey everybody, it's your girl Yvonne coming to you with another planner haul. I'm a little late this week. I was supposed to get this video to you guys on Sunday, but I've been so busy. This week I'm going to be showing you another one of my 2021 planners. This is by a black-owned company called the Goosby Twins. They're two young ladies rather, twin sisters who created this planner a few years ago. They did a Kickstarter for it. And they got a lot of traction this year. They kind of blew up in the community, in the planner community this year, with all the controversy. So I'm going to show you, I got a planner and a notebook from them, and I'm going to show you what all I got from them. The first thing I want to show you is the notebook. Originally, it came with this cover. You see it says 2021. This is their silver cover. But I switched the cover out and got this cover. This cover was with EC. She did a collaboration with some black artists, and 50% of the proceeds went to the artist, and the other 50% went to an organization that kind of touched my heart. So that's the only reason I purchased. But this was one of the covers that I purchased, and I just put it on my notebook, and it says say her name, and I just love the artwork on it. But anyway, let's get into the purpose of the video, which is to review the planner and show you how I set it up. I'm going to actually starting to the process of becoming a notary or a loan signing agent. So I'm going to be using this to just kind of take notes. And as you can see, this notebook is really thick. Like, you get a lot of pages in there, a lot of pages. So when you first open it up, you have your whiteboard that I used a marker and just wrote some things on there. You get a vellum sheet as like a kind of an inbox or dashboard. I just put a little sticky note on there. You get your introduction page that says this notebook belongs to it. I just wrote my name. Then you get another intro page. And then you go straight into your note pages. So this is all the pages that you get. This is a lot. Like, you can even put dividers in there. Like, I might actually section it off, because it's several different levels that I'm going to be studying. So I might section it off under the different levels. And then at the back, you get a double-sided notebook and another dry erase board or wet erase board. I'm not sure which one it is on the back. Well, that's that cover, but on their cover, the covers are blank. So this their notebook, and I mean, their paper quality is good. Like, it's not too grainy, it's not too smooth where it smears. Like, you can see I wrote on it, I white out. It's smooth, but it's not like so smooth to where you're like, the pen is like kind of smearing or gliding. It's really good. It's really good. So I already started using it, even though I bought it for 2021, but I like it so much that I started using it. The other thing that I purchased was a planner. The original cover was the black luxe, and it's 2021. It's kind of embossed in it. I don't know if you can see it. It's a blank cover, but I also changed that cover to one of their covers because they have interchangeable covers. This one is their Stay Woke Go Vote cover. I didn't even realize it said Go Vote. I just bought it because I love her look, her whole aesthetic. This is the back. It's purple. And when you first open it up, you get the vellum with the dashboard. I went ahead and added some sticky notes on there. I love their crown because if you look into the crown closely, you'll see that it actually is their silhouette. The twin silhouettes is in there. I think that's gorgeous. And then you get your planner belongs to page. I just added some stickers from Gold Mine and Cocoa. I had Kel of a Plan to create this cutout for me. I forgot where I got my name decal from. I'm going to have to list that in the description. Then you go into your 2021. And then you get into their mission statement, why they created the planner and everything. And then I just thought, because with Gold Mine and Cocoa, you get 2 stickers in there, like opposite directions. I just thought it would be cute to put the stickers on there as if they're twins. Then you get your perpetual I don't think this is I don't know what, I guess year at a glance calendars for 2021 through 2024, which I think this is great if you're somebody that likes to plan ahead. I'm not quite sure what, I probably kind of plan ahead with certain things, like with my notary, because my commission is 4 years. I think this will probably be perfect for me to kind of jot down when I have to redo that, stuff like that. Then you get your special occasions. Instead of just regular holidays, you have spaces to write in any special days that are good for you. They have Juneteenth in here. They have Hanukkah in here. They have Kwanzaa in here. Daylight saving time. You know, they try to incorporate a lot of things. They have tax day. They try to incorporate a lot of things, but I like the fact that they did not just put the holidays and that's it. They gave you space to where you could kind of make it your own. So I like that. Then you have a note page, and I'm only going to show you 1 month because it kind of like repeats itself, but you get a note page at the beginning of the month, and then you go into your month. So it's like this like outline, and the script on the month, look at that. That's beautiful. And then you get a quote by somebody famous in the culture. January is Kobe Bryant. Then you go into your month view. You get a month on 2 pages. And the monthly, like the divider page is like a very, very thick cardstock. So you don't have to worry about this tearing. The tabs, as you can see, they're not flimsy at all. They're very like flexible, and like you don't have to worry about the wear and tear. Like if this is going to be your the planner that you're going to carry with you, like you don't have to worry about it bending and getting out of shape. They're very sturdy. But you get a month on 2 page for your monthly spread. Again, love the font that they use. The thing that I like about this planner is it's very clean, and it doesn't like, they use fonts and things that's not common, and I like that, but it's still where it's clean enough to where you could cover up whatever you want to cover up. If you want to use different date scripts, or you want to, instead of having Sunday to Saturday, if you want to do Monday to Sunday, which I would redate this because I like Monday through Sunday, so I probably would kind of redate this. I don't know, but it has the holidays on it, so I don't know. I'll look into that. Then you have your goals on the side, and then what I also like about it is on the end at the bottom you have the previous month calendar and the current. So if you're planning in your monthly and you want to look ahead or look behind at, let's say, an important date that's reoccurring, you could kind of look at the past month and say, okay, well, last month it happened on this day, so this month is probably, you know, like if you're doing your bills or something. Then you go into your weeks. Your weeks are Monday through Sunday, and then you have your sidebar. It is a vertical layout with the 3 boxes. You have your bottom lines that you could cover up with washi tape or whatever. You could use it as additional list space. And it has like quotes throughout each week, just random on random days. And then it has the holiday. If there's a holiday throughout that week, then it'll be at the bottom of every page, at the bottom of that date. So as you can see, as I stated, there's a quote like just randomly placed throughout each week. They have this week right here. I can't wait till I do this spread. Inauguration Day on the 20th. Oh, yes. Can't wait to do that spread. And this is just what each week looks like. And then at the back, if you don't have a budget, I have a budget planner, so I'm going to figure out what I'm going to repurpose this for. Not quite sure yet. But I have a actual budget planner, so I don't know. I'll figure out but this is a monthly expenses. If you're somebody that's just does a basic budget or doesn't budget at all, but you just want to write in when your bill's done, but you don't want to do it on a monthly view, you could write the bills in here. You could write your savings tracker, like what you saved every week here, your bills, the amount when they're due, and any notes. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 note pages every month, and then it goes into the next month. When you get into the end of December, you go straight into your notes tab. I already set some of the pages up for me, and you get, look at how much note pages you get. All of these is notes, and you get lines, dot, grids, and blanks. So on top of the 6 pages you get every month, you get all of these note pages. It's crazy. So my first page, I put moving because I'm moving next year. So I'm just going to keep like a list of things that I need here. And that's like a checklist. Then I have my hair care. I am natural. So it's these stickers. Well, the scripts come from Kell of a Plan, but these stickers come from Tawana Simone on Etsy. Kell of a Plan can be found on Etsy as well. But I'm going to be keeping a list of like hair care products that I use that I found are good for my hair, or any particular routine or products that I found that I want, or items that I use, any particular brush brand or something like that that's good. This is a seasonal food. I am trying to eat more natural and organic, so I'm going to like try to Google a list of what foods are in season as far as fruits and vegetables, so I could kind of make sure I'm incorporating that. Then I have my planner supplies. So what I'm going to do is start making a list of what I want for 2022. I'm going to start making that list, which I probably actually do this at the beginning of the year. So throughout the year, I can start purchasing. So I won't be like at the end of the year trying to buy everything. So I have 2 pages for that. Hashtags. This is for my YouTube page, my Instagram page. I'm just going to kind of keep track of that. This was my daughter's school, but I messed it up when I was trying to put it on. But she goes to college out of town, so we actually have to prepare to take at least 2 trips a year. One to take her to school in August, and the other one to get her in May. So I, have to prepare for that, get a rental, get a hotel room, stuff like that. So I just want to write those dates and the things that we need down here. This is my son's school, so he starts college, but he does go to college locally, but he still lives on the dorm, in the dorm on campus. So we would write what he needs here and any special dates. These are for my appointments, doctor, dentist, therapy. Anything, like once I start making my doctor's appointments for 2022, some things I already know that I'm going to need. I'm just going to write those in, and when I get the appointment, I'll just write the date. But also, any follow-ups, things like that, I just put here. And also on the back, I probably try to keep a list like of my co-pays and things like that, what the insurance cover, what they don't cover, stuff like that. I think that's it. Oh, and then you go into like the dot grid. So this is the Fly Lady. I kind of left the dot grid for the Fly Lady zone cleaning. Right now I live in my mom's house, and I really only have one zone. So, but you can still break that down too. So, and then I have my birthday vacation planning that I want to do. So I'm going to fill this out as I go. I kind of have an idea of everything I want to do and need to buy and all of that, but I just want to have it somewhere. And that's pretty much it for this plan. Oh, and this is their Black Girl Magic Kit that I'll be using the first week. So I'll be coming into the new year. So they offer stickers as well. So this is their Black Girl Magic Kit. I'm going to use this the first week because I do have a washi that I purchased that says Black Girl Magic, and then I purchased washi from Cookie Sticker Co., who's known for her drip and her melanin washi. So I'm going to incorporate all of that. It's going to be so So they have the full boxes, and then the Black Girl Magic at the bottom. Then you have the Black Girl Magic strips, and then you have your headers, important paydays, things like that, your tracker. You have your sidebar Monday through Sunday. I usually track my dinners on there. You have dots and just little hearts and kind of like half boxes, but they had a white strip at the top so you could write your title there, whatever, and still have it as a decorative box at the thing. So it's functional and decorative at the same time. Then you have like header boxes, full boxes with lines, so you could kind of write like, for this I usually will write like chores I got to do that week. If I have a meeting that week, I'll write kind of the information, things like that. And you have some glitter looking header. So yeah, I'll be using this the first week. And then you have a double-sided pocket here. And this is the back. Oh, let me click that back on. And as you can see, it's not hard to put these on. Just kind of slide it on there. And then they do have extra. So they have a Black Lives Matter bundle where you could get 3 covers. So these are the covers I said I might use as dividers in my notebook. So you have the one that says Black Lives Matter. I love this cover. I love her hair. I love her jacket. And it's just on the backs are just plain, so I'll just show you the front. But this is one. And then you have the Unity one, which is Stand Together. I love this. The different ethnicities and colors and races. And then you have Use Your Voice, which I think is wonderful if you're using it for positivity. So these are, again, this is the Black Lives Matter bundle that you could get. Then you have your planner. And then you have your notebook. So again, my planner, this is going to be my stay-at-home planner, kind of more like a memory planner for me. So it's going to stay at home. And this again is the Goosby Twins. They can be found at www.thegoosbytwins.com. I will link their website below. You guys, please support these young ladies. They've been doing this for a few years now. And like I said, the sad part is it took for another company to get caught in a controversy for these young ladies to get the recognition that they deserved and for them to start getting the business that they should have been given. Because I haven't even heard, I never heard of them until this year. And that's when I started hearing about the company that's in comparison to. So it was more like, oh, if you want something compared to this particular company, then try the Goosby Twins. And I'm like, why didn't I be here about these people? But anyway, yeah, go ahead and support these young ladies. And I guarantee you will not be disappointed at all. So go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, good, bad, ugly, or in between. I'll go ahead and comment back to you. Thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys stay blessed.